Tumakbo na ako sa van.
Teka lang ba, putang? Hello! We're going to Salcedo. We're going to Salcedo weekend pala.
Yeah,
Market.
I thought it's called... Ano yun? Sabi ko, Salcedo Morning Market.
To be fair, ako din. Kasi alam ko mornings lang sila available. But yes, we're very hungry so we're speeding. I know if any
No, we're not
MMDA
speeding.
is watching.
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, we haven't really searched on what's in Salcedo Market. So we're about to find out. But we're very excited.
We were supposed to go earlier. Aalis dapat kami ng 9. 9 dapat kami aalis.
8:30 ako gumising, 9 na siya nakaligo. 9:30.
No, 9:30. Kasi sabi niya, alis daw kami ng 10. Anong oras na ba? 9:30.
Oo. Then she panicked. Doon siya nagising.
So, tumakbo na ako sa van.
Teka lang ba, putang?
The reason why we're going to Salcedo, it's because it was our Mansari.
Last 50.
Last 50. No, 15, kumain, nag-dinner kami. After work. Adulting.
Where?
Nag-dinner kami sa Fat Folk.
Oo, ba't ka nagbumura?
And then, yesterday, we just visited this new place. It's not new. It's new to us. So,
Yes.
new pa rin siya.
The Curator.
That one.
It's my new favorite bar right now. I love her. Shout out Ate Erica. Well, shout out.
And then, okay. We'll see you at Salcedo.
Yo.
Bye!
Hello, we're in Salcedo already. It took us a while.
Bye!
Ano
Find
to?
parking.
I know.
Kaya pala maghanap ng parking dito.
It was a big struggle, a bigger struggle than we thought.
Yeah.
To be fair, we expected it naman. Pero,
No, what we didn't expect,
like, walang parking lot at all.
yeah. Or
Hindi
meron,
ba?
pero puno.
Oo.
Meron, pero hindi pwedeng pumasok ng kotse for some reason.
But we found a way. We parked 7 minutes away. So if you're going to Salcedo Market,
Don't bring a car.
better not to bring a car. So yeah, we're gonna find food.
These are the first things that we got.
And my juice.
Oh yeah, the juice. He got tapa, homemade tapa, and then we got salmon, and then this is truffle grilled cheese, and then he got dalandan juice. Those are our things, but this is what I got. Yay! We're done eating. Na-late kami.
We got more food. We got
Beef kebab, biryani,
mango juice, cotton candy.
and then kakanin for my mama.
So we were trying to get her sapin-sapin and Biko.
Biko, oo.
Oo, kasi favorite yun ni Tita. Pero naubusan kami.
Check natin yung puto bumbong.
Oh shit, oo nga. May puto bumbong kami gusto i-try. May isa pa tayong dessert na gusto i-try.
Crepe. Magsisine pa kami, so baka tulog na kami dun sa loob.
That's true. But yun. So,
We're leaving.
in a little bit. Basta manonood pa kami ng cinema later.
We pick the later time na lang kasi 1:15 dapat kami manood. 1:09 na.
Ayan.
There.
Hello everyone. We're going home. We got goodies.
I also have.
Ayan,
No, we're
she
not
also
going
has-
home yet.
Oh, yeah. We're not going home, but we are leaving. We're going to the cinema to watch It Ends With Us.
Yes, that's movie number 1.
Yeah, we have another movie later, but...
Yeah.
Sorry, we didn't have videos much of Salcedo. We were mostly rushing to get food
And eating.
and eating.
And trying to find a place to eat at. Eat on.
So if you guys want to see more of Salcedo Market, watch another video.
Not this one.
Not this one.
Okay, bye.
Bye-bye. So we're going to Salcedo Market today again. But you didn't see the last vlog because we didn't fucking film everything. Ay.
We're gonna go to Salcedo today again because hindi namin naman na-post yung other video kasi
Hindi kami nakapag-film naman.
tas busy kami kumain ng time na yun. So
We were
now,
excited. It was our first time.
So now we feel like we're locals. What? And we're gonna take more videos. We're gonna shoot more food and get more food. Mabilis din kasi kami nabusog the last time. Yes, we're at BGC right now. Oh, yan sila kuya, oh.
Kuya, may snacks kayo.
Hindi naman namin gusto ng snacks. Di pa kami kumakain. Pero maghihintay na lang kami sa Salcedo.
Yeah.
Para sulit.
And then we're gonna try to watch a movie later.
Yes.
We're gonna watch So It Begins.
By Lenny.
Not by Lenny.
Oh.
About Lenny.
With Miss Lenny.
Ayun. Ayun.
He's maybe watching it either for Lenny or the features of Trisha. I'm just there for
Miss ko na siya.
moral support.
Nasa ano kaya siya ngayon?
So, yes. Okay. Bye!
Bye, Kuya.
Salmon, and then pesto grilled cheese, and then what's this? Roast beef with kimchi rice, and then pizza from Chabroni.
Nakakagat na namin.
Yeah. And then mango juice. Yay!
Okay.
We're gonna eat now.
This is the roast beef with kimchi rice. So this costed $3.10.
This one.
$2.20? $2.30.
$2.30.
We're so hungry actually kasi kanina pa kami gutom.
We wanted a snack on the way here. Kakain din naman kami dito. So why won't we still get a snack? Yummy. With the kimchi rice?
So soft. Wow, it genuinely melts in your mouth.
I get more kimchi.
I'm gonna try, this is creamy candy from Salmon HQ. Really like their salmon. So I wanted to try their creamy candy.
Yummy!
Cheers.
I love salsa.
Parang soy sauce yung nilagay sa rice. So parang you don't need...
Just soy sauce or like...
Can I bite?
Yeah. This is kind of sweet.
Palaging may pagka-sweet yung mga ganito.
I don't like it that sweet. Because maybe I like the soy sauce.
I would recommend so far the roast beef and the pizza. And the salmon.
We got the brownie from the brownie.
This is good. I just feel like for its price.
Too much. I too content.
And it's sweet. We're not very much sweet on a giri. I like your kimchi rice better though.
Really? Guys, you heard that. My kimchi rice is better than salsero. Oh, also aside from this, we bought my mom
Kakanin.
sapin-sapin, bibingka, and biko.
Nakilala na kaming ating binibilhan. So, if you guys wanna buy kakanin, buy from her.
So what's her name?
Joanne.
New store?
Joanna or Joanne? Yung store, I don't know, but I know her name's Joanne kasi nasa
Ay,
Gcash.
tatanungin nila isa-isa.
Joanne
Kayo po ba si Joanne?
But we love her. Sabi niya balik daw kami next week ulit.
Eh, bumalik na nga kami from last week. Sabi niya mag-reserve daw siya sa sapin-sapin. Isa na nga lang yung natitira sa sapin-sapin.
This is the grilled cheese that we buy every week again.
Ooh, I see. Not that satisfying.
Malamig na eh. This is now the THC. This one has pesto. We tried the truffle last week. Super good.
Where's the bread again? This is thick bread, ah.
I know. Good bread too. Whatever bread it is. Imagine pa kung sourdough yan. Oh.
Wala kasi yung pesto flavor niya.
Oh, really? What do you like about Salcedo so far?
Food in general.
Food's good?
Yeah, the food is good. I don't care what people say. People say kasi it's too overhyped, it's overrated. No. It's good. It's good food.
Especially the second time namin pumunta. Like, there's still so much food that still excites us. Even though we're getting the same ones as last time. Like, there's so many options. There's so many things you yet to try.
My only reclamo, I think, it's the price is kind of steep for
True.
food.
Tsaka madaming tao. Like, hindi mo talaga maaaway na or hindi mawawala yung kadamihan ng tao.
Kala naman ko nilang tao today kasi nga long weekend. So we're assuming na everyone's out of town. Why is everyone in town?
They've yet to try Legazpi Market.
That's tomorrow, diba?
Maybe next week pumunta tayo. But
Mag-recover muna yung wallet namin.
sa sweldo muna kami. Kaya kami babalik.
Wow. Lala na, napapikit ako dun sa
Oo
bata.
nga eh.
What's one thing you recommend to them in Salcedo? To them, may nakikinig ba?
The grilled cheese. I like the truffle talaga. The pesto though, wow.
From Greater Good.
If not that, this. The salmon.
Salmon HQ. I think they're both
Magkatabi pala sila.
Oo.
Magkatabi pa sila. But if we're talking about essentials in Salcedo, this mango juice. From the mango stand, nakatabi yung puto bongbong. Kung ano man yun.
Maraming juice stand dito. Very
this
specifically yung tabi ng puto bongbong.
Super good. I recommend. Try ko na din yung dalandan nila. Super refreshing. What would you tell someone that's going to Salcedo Market?
Bring water.
Bring water, definitely.
I brought a jug.
A big jug for water.
Last week kasi super init. Mas mainit kasi today. And then yung jug namin, ito na kalit.
I also recommend you go without a car. Parking will always be a problem here. Luckily, may alam kaming parking na malapit na. Like 5 minutes
And hindi
walking.
namin sasabihin sa inyo.
Secret na namin yun kasi baka kunin yun. Ano pa ba?
Fan.
Fan.
Kung meron kayo.
Oh, maghahanap kayo ng upuan talaga. Like, it's gonna be hard.
We have to wait for this one. Kung dapat kami sa bench, mukha kaming kawawa.
What is this in here?
Kasi ang dami pa naman naming
Sponsored
pagkain.
by
Idol? Hindi.
Sports Gallery. But not bad. I appreciate. I like
Not as bad today.
Last time, nung first time namin, medyo nahihirapan pa kami. Nakain na namin today.
Ah, wow, I'm getting full. We've been wanting to try yung crepe since last week. Kaya sabi namin yun yung dessert namin.
Pero pala kami nang bubusog before we even try it.
We got the crepe, tuloy na yung dessert kahit busog kami. Ooh!
Bread!
That's good. That smells good too. Wow, we're eating good today. Why? Because we worked for 1 week? Wow, look at that!
I think I'll serve this to the cinnamon na lang.
Which one? The sandwich?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or we can share again.
Tapos pagdating natin na gusto mo ng popcorn.
Huh?
Pagdating natin na gusto mo ng popcorn.
Small lang.
I remember dami natin nilabas sa pagkain ng asasino the last week. Kasi siguro inisip ng lahat, where the fuck did they get that?
Oo. Biglang may sandwich, biglang may cotton candy.
Ay,
Nakita niyo ba yan?
I'm full now. Yummy.
Well, this reminds me so much of Crab from MC.
Mayroon pang isang masarap na crepe sa MC. Mas mahal.
Yung crispy. Yung nakahawak-hawak mo.
That was good too.
They make better crepe talaga.
Pero crepe yung may kasama pang ice cream na minsan libre na yung ice
Pag
cream.
birthday mo, libre niya yung ice cream.
Wow.
Kuya Crepe Messi, naging trending siya sa Twitter once.
Yeah, kasi miss na miss natin siya lahat.
Because everyone in MC knew na wala na siya.
And he was moving to the other school. And everyone in MC was saying, alagaan niyo siya, ganyan.
Yeah, and then the thing is, palagi kang tatawagin na ganda. Ganda, ano gusto niyo today? Nalala ko pa yun. Dati 100 pesos lang yung baon ko a day. So ang gagawin ko sa lunch will be may 75 pesos na KFC
Wow,
franchise.
social ka.
Tapos sa recess will be prep. Kung ano man kasya sa natira kong
Ice cream sandwich.
ganun. Because I always had to buy something from him. Ayun lang. So we'll be going to the cinema. Actually masyado kami maaga. So we might even go around a bit.
Ay, full na.
Huwag mo
Susubo. I'm full.
Don't have to finish it. We can bring it to the cinema. Okay, kung dadalhin natin ito sa cinema, hindi na ako bibili na po.
Sayang, kulang yung popcorn mo. We got Mama's pasalubong. We're full to the top of our bellies. Wow, thank you, Salcedo. Nabusog mo kami the second. Okay, we're in the car.
We're in the car now. We're done eating salsa.
We're sleepy.
Yes, but we're gonna go watch the Lenny movie. So it begins in the cinemas. It was supposed to be a national release. Wala lang. Chismis lang, guys. It was supposed to be a national release, but some major cinema chains did not
Show it. Did not allow.
Oo, parang hindi nila pinalabas. Such as Ayala and S.
Hey, you're not supposed to name.
Ay, but yeah, Ayala and S weren't. So we're gonna watch it in Rockwell.
In Rockwell. Because Rockwell is its own universe.
Yes.
Beaniverse.
But in other news, we got coffee.
We got it from Div.
From one of our favorites right now. We got it from Zaylee. I got the Spanish. No,
you
I
didn't.
I got the iced caramel latte.
I got the capisada.
Ay.
Capisada.
But usually my typical order is the salted caramel cheesecake latte.
Mine is the Spanish.
So we're gonna try something new. Cheers.
Wait lang. Ikaw pa siya may mix. Mix na sa'yo. I'm scared. We like this better than We like this better than the other We like it better than Pick Up.
Yeah. And actually our top one is Pedal. This is a strong contender. Cheers. Hindi ko na mix na maayos.
Oh. Sweet.
Puro caramel lang ata natikman ko.
It's good. But it tastes similar than sa Spanish. Pero difference is I think there's an added shot to this one. Taste.
I think I still prefer the salted caramel one.
Why?
This is good though. The caramel, again, the caramel in Daily doesn't miss. There's a lot of coffee shops where their caramel is not hitting.
Ooh. Sabay pa tayo.
It's good. Do you like that better?
No. This is sweet. I like this one.
That one's good. Wow, that makes me want water.
Oh.
So we're in Power Plant Mall na. We got the tickets for So It Begins.
Yeah, there's no poster though.
No poster.
So you're not gonna know kung showing ba siya or hindi.
Rarely na nga siya napagpapakita sa cinemas. Tapos dito wala pa masyadong poster. Pero okay lang. Madami naman nanonood. So,
we got the movie for $250. It's currently $240. Maaga kami.
we got the VIP Cinema 1. So
siya.
hindi na kami bibili ng food. Busog na kami.
Kasi wala na kami pera. Kaya di na kami bibili ng food.
So yun, we're gonna go in the cinema na. We'll tell you what we think of the movie.
Okay.
Hindi ko iyak ako, guys.
Ako yung nandun lang, by the sidelines.
Ayun. Sige, bye-bye. Ganda ng skin mo, oh.
Thank you.
Sa akin, rough. Patchy yung ano.
Hello!
Hello! So,
We're on the way home.
yeah, we're done watching So It Begins. Grabe, naiyak ako.
Naiyak siya first part and last part.
Yeah.
And all of the parts.
Guys, nanood na ako ng It Ends With Us tsaka Unhappy For You. Di ako naiyak. Pero dito, grabe. Lalo nang kumanta na si Mika Del Rosario ng Rosas, I couldn't hold back.
He kept crying. Siya lang ata yung umiyak sa CD after.
Stop!
But yes, we're done with the movie. After the movie, umikot lang kami ng konti. Then we went to Uniqlo.
Shopping.
Ay,
hindi naman.
Nag-shoplifting.
Gago.
Nag-window shop kami. We didn't buy anything. I bought cake.
Oh yeah.
I bought
She got me
cake slices.
Sanserval also.
I got him Sanserval.
I like Sanserval.
And then we got cake slices from Costa Brava for my mama. And
For the
us.
mama.
I got one for us too. Okay.
Oh, what's your thoughts about So It
It's really sad.
Personally, I was expecting it to be about the Lenny rally and stuff. Kung ano yung, like how impactful it was and stuff like that. But it was mostly focused on the journalism and like the condition of it during that era. It's just Maria Ressa's story during Lenny's campaign. Pero naiyak pa rin ako either way.
Pero nakakaawa din pala siya.
I know. And what I was so upset about is a Nobel Peace Prize is such an internationally renowned award. And for us not to celebrate her award like that just because she was speaking against our government.
No freedom of speech nga naman in Duterte's time.
It just sucks. Like comparing it to how Carlos Yulo is being celebrated for his medals right now.
Which is like, I feel like same...
Wait.
Oo, yung Nobel Peace Prize. Like, hello, Nobel Peace Prize yun. What the fuck?
True.
I don't even know kung siya yung first Filipino to have a Nobel Peace Prize. But like, alam mo yun, it still should be... Like, what? That's so cool.
It should be celebrated.
I know.
But it isn't.
And to see like foreigners that's not even kababayan natin to celebrate for her. Hindi naman lang tayo yung nag-celebrate with her.
She literally just celebrated with 3 people in the call.
Oo.
One person after.
Oo,
That's
kasi...
it. Hi.
Wala na.
So, ayun, we recommend you guys watch the movie too.
Yes, kasi wala masyadong promotion for it. It sucks. Lalo na certain malls, sinabi ko na kanina eh. Ayan, we recommend. Super love it.
Gnocchi.
We're going home now, so that concludes our vlog. Thank you for watching.
Thank you. Bye, guys. Till the next day.
Till the next vlog.
Okay. Bye.
Hello, we are going
Wait,
to
this is
Salcedo. Salcedo.